Special Museums of Amsterdam. Introduction. Amsterdam, a city steeped in cultural richness and artistic heritage, boasts an impressive selection of specialized museums that cater to diverse interests and passions. These unique institutions offer visitors a deep dive into various facets of human history, art, science, and culture, enriching the city's vibrant cultural landscape. From the poignant Anne Frank House to the innovative Nemo Science Museum, Amsterdam's special museums provide immersive experiences that educate, inspire, and captivate audiences from around the world. 1. Anne Frank House. Located on the Prinsengracht Canal, the Anne Frank House stands as a poignant memorial to Anne Frank, a young Jewish girl who documented her experiences hiding from Nazi persecution during World War II. The museum is housed in the actual building where Anne and her family lived in hiding for over 2 years before their arrest. Visitors can explore the secret annex, where Anne wrote her famous diary, and view poignant exhibits including personal belongings and photographs that highlight the human cost of intolerance and discrimination. 2. Rijksmuseum. As one of Amsterdam's most iconic museums, the Rijksmuseum showcases an extensive collection of Dutch Golden Age masterpieces, including works by Rembrandt, Vermeer, and Frans Hals. The museum's impressive collection spans centuries of Dutch art and history, featuring paintings, sculptures, decorative arts, and historical artifacts that offer insight into the cultural and artistic achievements of the Netherlands. 3. Van Gogh Museum. Dedicated to the life and works of Vincent van Gogh, the Van Gogh Museum houses the largest collection of artworks by the renowned Dutch painter. The museum's collection includes world-famous paintings such as Sunflowers, The Bedroom, and Irises, providing visitors with a comprehensive overview of Van Gogh's artistic evolution and personal struggles. Exhibitions also explore Van Gogh's impact on modern art and his enduring legacy as one of history's most influential artists. 4. Nemo Science Museum. Perched on the banks of the Ey River, the Nemo Science Museum offers a hands-on exploration of science and technology through interactive exhibits and experiments. Designed to engage visitors of all ages, Nemo encourages curiosity and discovery with displays on physics, chemistry, biology, and technology. The museum's rooftop terrace provides panoramic views of Amsterdam, making it a popular destination for both education and leisure. 5. Amsterdam Museum. Located in the heart of the city, the Amsterdam Museum chronicles the history and development of Amsterdam from its humble beginnings as a fishing village to its status as a global hub of trade and culture. Through exhibitions, artifacts, and multimedia displays, the museum explores key moments in Amsterdam's history, including its Golden Age prosperity, colonial past, and contemporary challenges and innovations. 6. Hermitage Amsterdam. A satellite of the famous Hermitage Museum in St. Petersburg, Russia, the Hermitage Amsterdam showcases temporary exhibitions drawn from the Hermitage's vast collection of art and cultural artifacts. The museum's exhibitions span diverse periods and cultures, offering visitors a unique opportunity to explore masterpieces from ancient civilizations to modern times. 7. Museum het Rembrandthuis, Rembrandt House Museum. Located in the historic house where Rembrandt van Rijn lived and worked during the peak of his career, the Rembrandt House Museum offers a glimpse into the life and art of the Dutch master. Visitors can explore Rembrandt's studio, view his etching demonstrations, and see a collection of his prints and paintings. The museum also hosts exhibitions on Rembrandt's techniques and influences, providing insight into his artistic process and legacy. Conclusion. Amsterdam's specialized museums offer a diverse range of experiences that cater to enthusiasts of history, art, science, and culture. Each institution contributes uniquely to the city's cultural tapestry, providing visitors with opportunities to explore and engage with the rich heritage and innovation that define Amsterdam as a global cultural capital.